When choosing USD accounts, there are several factors to consider. These include monthly fees, transaction fees, and any possible interest paid. Here are the 5 best USD accounts for Canadians. Coming in 5th place is the RBC US High Interest eSavings account. This account has no monthly fees and pays 0.05% interest. You get 1 free transaction per month, thereafter it costs $3. RBC makes it easy to access this account if you already bank with them. You get free online transfers to other RBC deposit accounts as long as they're in your name. You can also transfer money from this account at any of RBC's ATMs. But once again, only 1 monthly debit is allowed, after which a fee is charged for each transaction. To sign up for a USD account with RBC, you can fill out the application online. At the end of the application, the confirmation page will display. You may have to visit a branch with your identification to activate your account and complete the process. In 4th place is the CIBC USD Personal Account. The CIBC USD Personal Account has no minimum balance requirement to earn interest of 0.05%. There are no monthly fees and transaction fees are only 75 cents USD per transaction. One unique feature CIBC has is that it allows you to write USD checks with this account. Signing up for a USD account with CIBC can be done in 5 minutes online. In 3rd place is the BMO US Dollar Premium Rate Savings Account. This account is BMO's main USD account offering. The bank also offers a US dollar checking account. There are no monthly fees and you can earn 0.05% interest. However, you need to already bank with BMO to take advantage of this account. In order to benefit from the US dollar account with BMO, you must hold another type of checking account with them. If you already bank with BMO, you can sign up online. Simply sign into the online banking and fill out the application in as little as 7 minutes. Other new customers should visit a branch to open the USD account. Book an appointment using the BMO website and see the nearest branch to you. And in 2nd place, we have the TD Bank US Daily Interest Checking Account. This account is TD's best USD account option, but the bank also offers a borderless plan account. The US Daily Interest account has no monthly fees and a standard transaction fee of $1.25 USD. You can benefit from no transaction fees at all, but your balance has to be above $1,500 USD. The standard 0.01% interest is also only paid on balances of $1,000 or more, which is quite a low rate amongst its competitors. However, the interest is calculated daily. If you bank with TD Bank already, you can use their app or online banking to transfer funds between your Canadian bank accounts and this account. TD Bank allows you to apply for an account on their website in minutes. You'll need a valid email address to start. If you're already a TD customer, some information will already be pre-filled. And finally, in 1st place, we have the Tangerine US Savings Account. Tangerine, the online-only bank, has a popular US account that ranks highly amongst consumers. The Tangerine USD Savings Account benefits from no monthly fees and unlimited free transactions. Account holders can earn an interest rate of 0.1%. There is no minimum balance required on this account. To access your money, though, you will need to visit a Tangerine location. The alternative is to transfer it to a US dollar checking account with another bank, then withdraw it from there. To sign up, you can use the Tangerine app to scan your identification document right in the app and take a selfie using your phone for verification. Or you can sign up with the website. Using the website sign-up form, you'll have to manually enter some information and you might have to go through a few additional procedures to verify your identity. Overall, Tangerine may be the best option for those looking to avoid fees. If you already bank with one of the major banks, though, you may find it more convenient to open a USD account with them. There are other ways to convert USD to Canadian dollars or Canadian dollars to USD, but services like Renminbi Currency Exchange will offer a better exchange rate and completely transparent fees. So we just want to thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video useful.